You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to LendKey and related resources, are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the platform. Welcome to my review of LendKey for business loans. LendKey offers a distinct approach to lending, connecting borrowers with community banks and credit unions. This provides a valuable alternative to traditional bank loans, often resulting in more competitive rates and a simplified online borrowing experience. If you're a small business owner searching for accessible financing, LendKey is definitely worth considering. LendKey's strength lies in its network of local lenders. By partnering with these institutions, it can frequently secure lower interest rates and more adaptable terms than you might find with larger financial institutions. Loan amounts range from a modest $5,000 up to $300,000, making it a suitable option for small and medium-sized businesses needing capital for various purposes, whether it's managing cash flow, purchasing equipment, or investing in future growth. Loan terms are generally between 1 and 10 years, depending on the specific lender and the type of loan, offering borrowers significant flexibility in structuring their repayment plans. A key feature of LendKey is its commitment to transparency and borrower-friendly practices. Because it collaborates with community-focused lenders, it can often provide a more personalized service and demonstrate a deeper understanding of local market dynamics. Furthermore, the online application process is designed for ease of use and enables borrowers to compare multiple loan offers within the network, simplifying the process of finding the perfect financial fit. LendKey is particularly attractive for business owners with established good credit who are seeking the most competitive interest rates and are comfortable working with smaller financial institutions. The platform is also a good fit for borrowers who value a more personalized lending experience compared to the often less flexible approach of larger online lenders. However, it's worth noting that businesses with lower credit scores or less consistent financial histories may face challenges in qualifying for a loan. This is because LendKey's lending partners typically prioritize creditworthiness and a demonstrably stable revenue stream. In summary, LendKey presents an excellent financing solution for small business owners looking for competitive rates and the personalized touch of local lenders. The platform's straightforward online application process and transparent approach make it a dependable option for those with strong financial profiles. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore LendKey further and determine if its loan products align with your specific business financing needs. This in-depth review should equip you with the necessary information to decide whether LendKey is the right choice for your business.